hindi mo daw alam na ada ka.
Oh no. No, I got me. I am alone.
Pero may nakita kong sasakyan.
What is that car black? I'm scared a bit. I'm scared. I'm gonna go to the house.
Let's go upstairs and say it. Hello? May I adopt a child? There's, what gender, ma'am? It could be like, a girl. Okay. We have one girl and then one boy. So, we're gonna give you the girl, okay, ma'am? Okay.
May nagbubuli.
Narinig mo daw. Okay. Where's the girl? Hey, honey.
Hello.
I will adopt you. Get in the car with me.
Where's your car?
Over here.
Oh. No. No.
You in?
Yes.
Ow. Tinanong mo daw kung may bahay na tayo.
We have a house now.
No, not yet.
Why? Oh, yeah. Are you a kidnapper or no?
I'm not a kidnapper.
Why your car is black?
Well, because they had no more other cars in stock, so I had to buy that one.
Why did the car jump?
I don't know, honey.
Mom.
Honey, this is the house. I'm gonna go park the car. I-accept mo to.
Step.
Hi, I'm gonna park the car, okay?
Okay, mommy.
You go pick your room.
I'm just gonna watch it. I'm gonna pick a room.
Okay. Where the car? Honey, did you pick a room yet?
I'm pick a room now.
Okay. Honey? Honey, what's doing?
Hi.
It's eat time. Come on.
I'm just gonna wait here.
Okay.
This is my cobweb.
Get over here. I have a seat for you, a special one.
Okay. Yeah.
It's right here.
Wow.
Here.
Yay.
Just wait there, okay? I'm gonna get some.
I can't
I'm gonna get our food. Ow. Honey, I'm gonna give you a tablet. Wait, I'm gonna give it.
We have a tablet too.
Okay. You can get your teddy
Teddy, where's Teddy?
in your room.
Teddy. Teddy, Teddy, Teddy. Ow. Where's the Teddy here? I don't see anything, Teddy.
Pero nakita mo na.
Oh, I forgot.
Honey,
What is it, Mommy?
I got a surprise for you.
Daddy, Daddy.
Honey, I got a surprise for you. Look, go. I'm just gonna eat apple. Okay, honey. Honey, you have to sleep with me. Come on. Once you're bigger, you can sleep alone. Upstairs.
I can't walk.
What?
I can't walk. I'm just a baby.
Okay, just stay there. Oh, he has fallen asleep. I'm gonna go to sleep now. First, I have to close the curtain. I'm gonna close the others.
Pero narinig mo daw to.
Huh? She's suspicious. I'm gonna change into my pajamas. Honey, stop that. I'm changing to my pajamas. Honey, change into your pajamas if you want. Here's your Doge one. Here's your dog one. Nakuha mo na yung dog one. Sabihin, yay! Yay! Okay, go to bed now. I'm gonna read you a bedtime story. Just wait, okay? Honey, what you doing?
I'll wait.
Yeah. Pero nung nabukas ko yung pangtulog noise, nakatulog ka.
Para ako to.
Pero nung tulog ka, ginagalaw mo yung kamay mo, tapos nagtutunog yan.
Pero dito ko daw.
Kinuha ko daw yan sa kamay mo. Let me just check the time on my phone. It's this morning. Honey, wake up.
What is it?
It's the first day of school. Go get ready.
Hey.
I'm gonna make breakfast.
Necklace.
Oh, I have to change.
It's my birthday today.
Oh, maglaki ka konti. Okay, change your clothes and yeah.
I'm big now.
Change your clothes, honey.
I'm done. I'm just gonna get my.
Backpack?
Yeah, I'm here.
And your bring your bottle because I know you will drink milk a lot. Get your bottle and I'll get in the car.
Okay, I'm gonna put my bag in my.
Nilagay mo na yung bottle mo sa bag mo.
Diyan yung bag. Ano ba tingin mo?
Nandito na daw sa bag mo yung bottle mo.
I ready.
Pupunta ka daw sa,
Pero kinuha ko daw.
ako.
Hello, Mommy.
Makita mo daw yung sasakyan.
Oh. I like the garage is open. Huh?
What? Get in the car. Kaya kami. Gusto ito kayo, honey. Oh! Gusto ito kayo there. Gonna do a short.
What? Pero dito na daw ako.
Bye, honey.
Bye.
I'm gonna go to my work.
Okay.
Pero malapit lang. Pero nakita mo sa sasakyan ko, papark. Sabi lang,
Hmm?
I have to go to work now.
Mommy!
Yes.
I'm here.
I'm gonna go get to my work because I just parked there because there's no parking spot at my work. Bye, guys. I mean, bye, honey.
Me. Tira, saan?
Yung lockers?
Yung ano, libro.
Libro? Pero daw malaki ka na kaya hindi na yan, bottle lang. Kasi kailangan yung bottle. Inuusap mo daw kasi yung klase. Wake up from a dream. What you doing? What?
What?
You doing?
What you doing?
Play. Oop. Pero biglang napalit ka sa harap.
What? Why am I here?
Just for no reason. Kaya uwian na. Pumunta ka daw sa work ko. Pero uwian na din namin.
Pero, binuli ako ni Jake.
Pero daw nasa loob ka pa rin kasi papunta sa lunchtime. Lunchtime pa daw pala. Kaya bumalik si Jake kasi tumayo ka din.
Pero, yung papunta ako sa taas, binuli ako. Papunta ka daw sa room ko.
Hindi daw. Backwards.
Era.
Pataya ka na? Hindi.
Ow!
Pero daw,
Pinalabas daw kami ng teacher ko, pero pinansya ko ni Jake. Ow!
pero daw pabalik lang ako.
Papunta daw kami sa, dito. Pero nilagay ako si Jake sa road. Nakita mo daw.
Pero daw, papunta muna. Tumakbo ako. Daw kita. Daw dito. Come in the car. We're gonna go get ice cream.
Ice cream. Mama,
tubig kang sakyan ko. Nakato ka ba yung
Sige mo, kadap ko to.
Mama? Actually, we're gonna go to the play shop. Come on.
where are we going?
Follow me there. Watch. Yeah, we play. Kaya intay daw ako sa labas.
Ano yung cellphone ko? Hoy,
Nakita mo daw sa mas dito. Ako. Tara, nakita mo daw.
Pero daw, nag-aintay lang ako dito. Are you done? Are you done, Nani?
Not yet.
Okay.
Oo, yung tungin na.
I'm dancing.
Oh! Pero biglang, nag-text sa akin. Na,
Ano yung ayay susi sa L3? Andun may 1,000, di ko nakuha.
pero daw ako ng teacher mo.
Ang number yun.
Honey,
What?
you have to go back to school because I'm your new teacher.
Oh.
Maybe later once we go back home. Let's just walk.
Where are you?
I'm going back to the car, actually. And we're gonna get a new car. Get over here. Where are you, honey? If you're hiding, I'll leave you.
Baba, I'm here. I'm playing.
Okay.
Up here. Mommy.
I'm just getting a new car. Why circling around me? Honey!
Please. I can respond my new car.
Honey, you can't spawn your own car because if you do, monsters will bite you. Nakapasok ka ba? Sumakay ka na ba?
Wait lang. Pero, gusto mo daw kwak-kwak.
Honey, get in the front.
Why am I in the circle? What is this?
There's no back seat, honey.
Oops.
Vitamin. Vitamin.
Wala agad.
Pero may traffic.
Pero nagde-video na ako. Hello guys. So, hello.
I'm just in the park. Phones are allowed, but actually tablets are allowed, not phones.
I actually dropped it to the home.
Okay, come here. I'm your teacher, okay?
Saan daw pupunta tayo sa ano?
We're gonna go to court later, okay? Come follow me. This is our first classroom.
Pero yung pagpasok ko, binuli ako ni Jake. Ow, ow, ow.
Jake?
Ow.
Jake? Jake?
What Ma'am.
You're gonna get detention now. Pero daw hindi mo alam na sinulak ko si Jake. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. That's what you get. Are you okay? Everybody, pangalan mo daw ano?
Cupcake.
Cupcake is my daughter. So no one bully her, and Cupcake, you sit here. Actually, here.
Where?
Here.
Here?
Yes. So, everybody, first we're gonna start with good questions, okay? Gonna start with easy. So the one is yeah.
1 plus 1?
Wait lang.
I know 1 plus 1.
Okay, Cupcake, go to the board.
Ano sagot? Alam ko yung sagot. Wait lang. Two.
And that's correct. You get pero gusto mo ay bagong flash ng flashy na pusa. You get a plushy cat.
Yay!
Here you go.
Yep, ko baby Rito.
Next question. Who knows this one?
What is it? 2 plus 2. I know 2 plus 2.
Okay.
Wait a minute. I know 2 plus 2. Wait lang. 2 plus 2.
Ito na.
2 plus 2 eh. Alam ko yung 2 plus 2. What? Wait a minute.
Kaya daw hindi mo na-realize ng accident ihawak kita. Nung nagsasalta na ako. Okay, so now everybody please go to their seats.
4 plus 4 is 2. In-answer mo daw correct.
Correcto. Anyways, everybody, it's time to go to the cafeteria, but be careful and nobody
Saan na
worry.
bibili lang ako ulam namin? Eh, ikaw, ano ulam mo?
Kung ano na meron.
Ano, chicken? Chicken naman tayo.
Ang section.
Gusto ko sa chicken.
Pero ako yung cafeteria, ano. Hello, Cupcake. What would you like?
Can I have chips?
Okay.
And then, do you
Ikaw.
water?
Okay. We have water. Binigay ko na daw. Here we go. Everybody stay, okay? I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Yan po. Saan?
Ito nabuli ka ni Dick. Kinuha daw yung pagkain mo.
Daddy,
Kinuha daw. Pero nung lumabas ako, nag-flash muna ako, tapos umalis. What happened, Cupcake?
Jake took my food.
Jake, detention. Everybody follow.
Pero si Jake pinunta yun. Disconnect yun. Sabi daw,
Pero daw sabi daw nito, ano,
Ang daya.
Oo.
pero daw, ano, sabi nito,
Kaya nang dadaya yung mga bata, di na natututo.
everybody, ano, make and person.
Hindi na yun.
Wait lang.
Bibili lang ako Wala
Yes.
yes. Cellphone ko lobat eh. Pag uwi ko, kakain na tayo.
Okay.
Ano na yung laro?
Body. Pero ano pala, sa taas. Actually, it's not here. Follow me guys.
you said we're going to the cart. Oh. This is what we're gonna do?
Pero nakita mo ako lumabas.
Huh? I don't follow me.
Follow me. You guys are gonna play soccer. Everybody no cheating. Get the ball.
Can you give me a ball, mommy?
Okay. Yeah. Everybody play na. Pero daw yung sinusulat ko yung nag-win. Pero yung winner daw ay ikaw. Hindi mo daw alam. Sama daw.
A bug.
Sama daw. And the winner is Cupcake. Nag-J ka daw.
Yay!
Everybody home time.
Woo! From the way so fast.
Why so fast?
I'm fast. If I'm walking, I'm fast. Pero dito naman daw sabi mo, pagat mo
Pero
daw.
daw uwian na daw. Home time!
Samdo, what's that?
What's there?
Pero Samdo, are you click it cupcake?
Are you click it, Cupcake?
No, I'm not. I still saw it as Jake.
Well, he's gonna get detention tomorrow. Pero daw, camping time. Camping time!
Camping? Where are them? What's this?
I'm gonna set up our tent.
What is this?
It's camping.
Oh, camping.
The one that has teddies is yours.
I have Teddy. Pero, pumunta daw si Jake dito, tsaka kinuha teddy bear ko. Jake, why you get my bear, huh?
Pero may nakita kang teddy bear dito sa ko ginagawa ko ng tent.
Woo! Hee! I'm gonna get it. Ah!
Oh, honey, why are you rushing?
Ano?
Did Jake take your teddy bear?
Yeah, so I get this one.
Jake! Pinalo ko daw siya.
Ah.
Pero may ginagawa naman ako sa daw. Sa mga boxes daw na to. Sa mga boxes daw na to, yung clothes natin. That's where our clothes are.
Okay.
Go to bed time.
Bedtime. I'm gonna scare. Their birthday ko daw today. Ulit.
Happy birthday, honey.
I'm just gonna go turn up.
Okay, I'm gonna go to bed.
Ah,
Say the morning na. Honey, we have to make. We're gonna go swimming.
swimming.
Put your swimming clothes on.
Swimming clock. Harry,
So what you doing, honey? Yeah. Pero the waterproof yung suot ko na sapatos.
Pero binili mo daw ako na sapatos din.
Oo, akin daw eto.
Ako mapipili mo sa akin.
Iba pala mapangit yun. Rubber duck.
Rubber duck? Quack, quack.
Honey,
What?
our shoes are ducks because they're waterproof and you can float on them.
Float.
Yeah, you can float on them if you wear duck shoes. Now let's go to the beach.
Narinig
Daw ako.
mo daw yung tunog. Quack, 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 quack.
Oh my God, our shoes are making so much noise.
Quack, 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 quack.
Pero nung swimming, hindi na nagtutunog.
Quack, 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 quack.
Pinalo mo daw ako.
Where are you going, Mom?
Pero nasa ako.
Pero mabilis daw ako mag-swim. Daw, wow, so
Wow!
fast.
Pero hindi pala waterproof yung shoes. Oh, our shoes are waterproof.
Oh my, it's okay.
Let's throw it away.
Pero sabihin daw, kailangan sapatos naman.
But we have to go, first let's, take rest here. Pero daw, kailangan umuwi na.
Pero sinuot ko yung quack swoosh. Sabi daw, what? You're wearing that.
Hindi daw, hindi ko daw Pero daw, bumihis lang muna ako.
Ito daw pala yung changing room. Itong sa drawing sabi daw, oh.
Oh, but nobody's even looking. Nobody's even here.
Mama.
Pero daw, biglang si Jake nandoon
Saan?
sa changing room na yan.
Hey, Jake, get out of here.
Biglang daw tinulak ka.
Ah!
Umiyak ka daw, totoo. Pero daw, pala, gagwa. Nagbili ako daw ng sasakyan.
Pero narinig ba daw yan?
Okay, wait a minute. Pero daw, pumunta ka sa akin.
Mommy.
Yes.
Jake, push me to there.
Pinalo ko daw siya. Change, okay, honey?
Okay.
Biglang daw ako nag-beep.
Mommy, look, I'm beautiful.
Yes, go in the back seat. Pero daw kahit ano pwede suotin sa ngayon school.
Pero papasok pa lang daw pa. Tsaka tinulak ako ni Jake yung papunta siya dito. Sabi daw,
Pero
nakita mo,
daw nasa English class na ako.
nakita mo na daw.
Pero daw sulatan ng ko.
Pero nakita mo daw ako kay pinabuli ako ni Jake.
Pero daw nandito ako. May powers daw yung good. Yung maliit daw wala. Kaya si Jake maliit. Kaya may basketball ako. Tapos pinalo ko sa kanya. Napalo daw.
Oh, paano ngayon?
Ewan.
Try mo pindutin ulit. Sa kabilang, try mo.
Woo! Everybody just draw anything.
Draw anything.
Pero yung iba hindi ka tapos.
And then, Mom.
Ah, that's so cute. Kaya daw biglang sabi ng iba, kaya pinalo ikaw habang hindi ako habang pupunta ako sa sa CR.
Aning daw yan.
Hindi ito kasi malayo ako. The fire alarm, I forgot to put it off. Pero daw, liit ng naihe. Pero daw, bumalik ka sa, sa classroom na yun kasi may galit ako kung hindi ka nandoon.
Pero malapit ka na, pupunta ka na sa baba, pero sinirkle nila ako.
Pero daw, may butas dito kaya umalis ka.
Pero pupunta ka na daw sa baba.
Pero daw, hindi ako nakatingin. Nakatingin ako sa cellphone. Kaya hindi kita nakita.
Pero biglang sabi ko, Mom!
Binitaw ko daw yung cellphone ko.
Pinawa mo daw sounds.
Lahat daw sila ginawa ko to sa kanila. Pero daw hindi mo daw nakita. Lahat daw na sila nakapasa. Pero daw nag-min daw ng the beach.
Why a ball? Why the ball is throwing to their self?
Pero papunta ako sa Jake. Teacher, you're in detention. How am I gonna get in detention? Well, you're a student. I'm not a student. I'm a teacher. I'll run back to the classroom. That's what I thought. Everybody, I'm gonna give you all a test. Pero ikaw yung last one. Mean daw ng last one, very good.
What type of boy is something else?
Pero daw, ayan yung si Jake. Except po na yun. Except po na.
Oh, diba? Alam ko na. Alam ko kung saan.
Naglalagi si Jake.
Pero wala din.
Ano kasi na-except eh.
Si Jake. Yun.
Pero,
Awalis na tuloy si Jake. Sam daw, Jake. Jake, coming back to class.
coming back to class, ububot them.
Poop din.
Timagawa ko.
Sa baba. Tira mo.
Timagawa ko. Nakita mo daw ginagawa ko. Nagte-text daw ako. Yan, tingnan mo. Ano mo yun? Isipin mo. Alin? Button. Andito.
I don't know. Oops, my bad.
Thank you, Jake. Thank you, Jake. Thank you. Thank you.
Here.
Give me that. And everybody got an A.
Yay. Yo, blah, blah,
Wait,
blah,
ang sinabi
blah,
ko
blah.
daw. Every.
Sabi daw, what you doing, cupcake?
What you doing? Pero daw, nakita mo sinabi ko.
Pero pupunta daw ako tayo sa court.
Wait lang.
Pero, pinapila mo lang daw kami. Pinalitan daw ni Jake yung damit ko.
Basketball. Basketball daw to. Basketball daw to.
Pinapasam daw. Hi, why they're not here yet?
Why they not here yet? Pero
Pinapag...
ginanto ko si Jake.
Pero biglang pinalitan ni Jake.
Get in now, do the
Why she's... Jake is scary, she's so big.
Pero nakita mo ginawa ko. Ha, that's not real, honey. He's just having a backflip out. He's having that. And I'm just scanning everybody. Everybody good. Everybody good.
Yes, Mom.
Pero nakita mo ako.
Mama,
What?
what are you doing to the ground?
I'm just kissing it.
What kissing it?
I'm just... Pero nag-point ako kung saan tayo pupunta. Let's go outside.
Pero na-catch ko daw. Sabi daw, very good.
Very good. Pero lumabas ako.
Pero nakita mo daw, nagbabasketball pa ako doon.
Why do we basketball still? Pero ako nagbabasket. Honey, do that thing. Now.
Oops.
Pero daw may nakitang hangbulan doon. Yes.
Pero ako daw na-win. Yay!
Fred, wait lang sasabihin ako. Win. Girl.
Pero kumasayaw daw.
Girl, what girl? Anyways, bye guys.
Bye-bye.